Harold Wall Street Willie. What is the NASDAQ Stock Index? NASDAQ as a stock index primarily refers to the NASDAQ Composite Index, which is one of the three most important stock indexes in the world, alongside the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It was created in 1971, the same year the NASDAQ Stock Exchange was created. It primarily focuses on technology stocks like Apple, Alphabet, Amazon, Facebook, and Netflix, and is therefore a good way for people to tell how tech stocks are doing. Which types of stocks are in the NASDAQ Composite, and how do they get included? Around 50% of the NASDAQ Composite consists of tech stocks. The other major sectors are consumer services, healthcare, and financials. To be part of the NASDAQ Composite, a stock must be listed on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange and continue to be listed there. And unlike many other indexes, stocks don't need to be US-based to be part of the NASDAQ Composite. International stocks can also be part of the NASDAQ Composite. What does the NASDAQ index value represent? Is it a dollar amount? No, the NASDAQ's value is measured in points. When the NASDAQ Composite was created in 1971, it had 100 points. As of November 2020, the NASDAQ has grown to almost 12,000 points. The point value of the NASDAQ Composite is calculated using a market capitalization weighted formula. This means that each stock's weight in the index is decided by the market capitalization of the company. For example, if stock A's company has a market cap of $10 billion and stock B's company has a market cap of $20 billion, then stock B will have double the weight or power to change the value of the NASDAQ Composite as stock A because it has double the market cap. How do I invest in the NASDAQ Composite? To invest in the NASDAQ Composite, you can invest in an index fund that tracks this index just like with any other major stock index. But remember, since the NASDAQ is market capitalization weighted like the S&P 500, and many of its stocks are the largest companies in the world, the stock index is very heavily weighted in just a few stocks. In fact, although the NASDAQ Composite has about 3,300 stocks, a third of its weightage is from its 10 largest stocks as of November 2020. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.